Hi, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by the instructor or guest. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen this property required to visit for ID voucher. Property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arriving. The location of the property is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then contact us by community available. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.